How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get rid of eye wrinkles when you smile, the tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. So eye wrinkles, you guys, everyone will get wrinkles, more wrinkles as you get older. What we can do though is there's a few tips that we can do that can prevent us from getting wrinkles for a longer period of time. So let's say maybe you're starting to get wrinkles when you're 50. If you start doing some of these tricks, you might be able to prevent more wrinkles from coming until you're 60 or 65 or 70. There's people out there that are 70, 80, 90 years old and they have like no wrinkles at all. It's because they really take care of their skin, you guys. So the first thing that I would do, and this can help anyone out, is to sleep more often. Sleep is absolutely huge. And I see people, I know people that only get 4, 5, 6 hours of sleep a night, which is not nearly enough, lack of sleep, and their skin, their wrinkles are terrible. So I really recommend getting more sleep. That'll help with the eye wrinkles, you guys. The next one is to actually apply warm compresses to the wrinkles. This helps to soften the skin. It does help over time to get rid of the wrinkles. It also hydrates the skin because of the warm temperature. Sleeping with your head raised. This is so important. When you sleep with your head raised, it increases blood flow to the face area. It helps to prevent wrinkles, helps to prevent dry skin, makes the skin smoother, just basically overall makes the skin better. So sleeping with your head slightly raised, doesn't have to be fully raised 90 degrees. Literally, if you sleep like this, raising it even slightly like that will have a huge effect on your face, you guys, especially the eye wrinkles. So that's what I recommend to do. End the video. Thank you so much for watching.